Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm going to describe in this video why many international students in Canada are choosing trades instead of IT in Canada. So welcome back guys. So guys, many international students nowadays are going for trades instead of IT. However, for years like IT, computer science or software engineering, these were like top professions picked by international students. But there's a shift. More and more international students are choosing trades like electrician, plumber, HVAC, truck driver, welder, carpenter, mechanic. And many people are asking why international students are choosing these trades. Well, I'm gonna explain. Now, IT is becoming completely competitive. Its reason is simple. It's no longer a guaranteed pathway because there's so much of availability of IT resources. You post an IT job today and see the number of applications you get within a few hours. So and moreover, with the advancement of AI, layoffs are also rampant in this industry. Interviews are becoming tougher, expectations of employers are going high, so people are just not able to cope up with this high competition and expectations. Now trades have real demand. Trade jobs are always needed. Now, these skilled traders are always needed, and older workers are retiring here in Canada. Fewer young Canadians are entering trades. Infrastructure projects are increasing. Housing construction demand is high. That means electrician, plumber, and HVAC trade technicians are in demand across the whole country. Okay, and because these involve physical labor right on site, many of these jobs cannot be fully replaced by AI. Okay. Now the pay scale in trade is also very high. In IT, people study for 2 to 4 years, then still struggle for entry level jobs. But in trade, you can start earning much faster. Trade programs are shorter, okay, and apprenticeships allow you to earn while learning. A licensed electrician or plumber can easily earn very good money, sometimes much more than office jobs. That's why many students see trade as a practical exam path. I had called a plumber at my home just a few weeks back. He charged me $200 to replace one faucet. Okay. After me, he had few appointments scheduled. Can you imagine on that day how many appointments? Like if suppose he had 10 appointments, how much money he might have made? I don't have to tell you, right? And of course, like guys, trades can lead to PR opportunities. Immigration policy is also very important. Many provinces prioritize occupations where there is labor shortage. Trade occupations always appear in most of the times provincial nominee, targeted draw, employer-based streams. But for IT, no, they have too much of resources. I'm not saying they don't appear in this, but yeah, they have too much of resources. So and guys, as I said, trades are physical work, and that's why. Social perception is also changing. In many countries, trades are seen as low status work, but in Canada, skilled trades are respected. So, and these are considered professional. And in the long term, right, uh, trades provide you much more stability, as I said. Because in IT, you always have to upgrade your skills, but same way you don't have to, but you gain your skill and you gain your valuable experience in handling tough situations. So that is why it is being gaining priority among international students. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.